State Farm customers, you need to see this video. As of July 1st, State Farm is no longer allowing link services to handle their glass-only claims. That contract has been awarded to SafeLight Solutions. Now, if you've paid attention to any of our SafeLight Solutions videos in the past, you see the massive problems there are where steering is involved, and SafeLight is using their third-party administrator to steer insured customers to SafeLight Auto Glass. We are a select ONA participant for State Farm insurance work, which means we are a top tier. It's the same thing as being a direct repair facility for State Farm in the body shop industry. We are top tier. We're 100% rating on all of our KPIs, and we are supposed to show up in all of the lists when you are deciding a shop to use. Since this most recent change, we had a significant drop in State Farm referrals that come through our shop. Probably about 95% decrease in State Farm work, which is it's a big deal on our end. And we've done some research, and this is a big issue that's happening all across the country right now. It's not just affecting our shop, it's affecting independent shops all across the country. This is a major issue. We did a screen grab, we're going to post it up here on the left, of shops when you go on the app or you go online to file your claim and you type in your zip code to find a shop near you, how the only shops that are displayed are national chain shops. And in fact, out of the 7 shops, I think it's 7 shops that are listed, there's only one that's even in Beaufort County. Everything else is either Savannah, Georgia, Pooler, Georgia, or Charleston, or Cottageville, South Carolina. All of these locations are all over an hour away from your repair location if it's mobile, or if you're looking at 29906 here locally. All of these shops are all farther than an hour away, an hour or more away. Like I said, these are all national chain shops, some of which don't even do auto glass. They have auto glass companies that are attached to body shops, but they don't even have businesses in these addresses that they're listed. So if I had to guess, they're probably trying to sub this out. But so the issue we're seeing here, if you try to file a claim on the app or you try to file a claim online, or even if you call the 800 number, we are not showing up. None of your independent shops are showing up as repair facilities that you can choose. You have to specifically ask on the phone, is there someone that is closer to me? Because they're going to try to send you to Bluffton, they're going to try to send you to Savannah, they're going to try to send you to North Charleston. So you specifically have to ask, is there somebody that's closer to me? And then they'll finally give you us. But what they're doing is they're steering everybody away from independence that they possibly can. This is a big deal. This is a major issue. The IGA has filed formal complaints with the Federal Trade Commission and the Department of Justice at the federal level on this issue. And this is clearly unfair trade practices. And we're seeing a clear attempt to do harm to independent auto glass shops in your area. This disproportionately gives a competitive advantage to a big name shop that's got a jingle that everybody knows. This is a serious issue. Here's how we can help you move past this issue and select us as a shop, or if you want to select any independent for this matter, that is a network shop. If you'll call the shop directly or you'll call us directly, we have a portal on our end where we can set your claim up for you, and we never even have to make a phone call. Most insurance companies, we have to make a phone call to be able to help you set that appointment up or set that claim up. But with State Farm, there is an allowance that allows us to set that up completely electronically. There is no phone calls associated. So if you call us directly, no hold times, we can set that claim up for you in minutes and have you scheduled within just a few minutes, and making this process real seamless and easy for you to move forward on filing this claim. So if you're in the Beaufort County area and you have State Farm insurance, please call us directly to help you set that claim up. If you choose to go a different route, the likelihood that you're going to wind up at a local shop is going to be almost zero. Like I said, this has been about a 95% drop in sales from us for State Farm customers in the past 60 days. It's a giant deal. Please Local shops need your support. They need your help. And if you own an auto glass shop and you're not an independent glass association member, please go. It's not very expensive. It's based off of how many employees you have at your shop. Please go join the IGA. Or if you're an industry affiliate, there's point of sale systems that are struggling with similar issues right now. Please go join the IGA or join the affiliate membership of the IGA. None of these issues can get solved unless we have the funding to do so and be able to lodge these complaints and pay attorneys and keep all this stuff moving forward. So please, the independent auto glass industry really needs your help on this. So you can stop by and see us at 820F Paris Island Gateway, and that's in Beaufort, South Carolina, or you can shoot us a call at 843-379-7222. We can help you get your claim set up, and we can ensure that you have the freedom of choice to use who you want to use. Stand strong on your rights, and like, share, and subscribe to all this content. It's going to be cross-posted on about 3 different platforms. We need this information to get out as much as possible. Everybody needs to know what's going on. Thanks, everybody.